In this video, I'm going to work on the back fender taillight area of the Impreza. I've decided I'm going to put a door right here in the space where the taillight used to be, and that's going to be my gas filler door. It used to be over here. I'm going to move it here. That works better for a lot of reasons, primarily because I don't have to put the tube in the fender well or in the wheel well. Also, the new taillights that I got, which are from a Mazda 323 Coupe or Familia, I installed the driver's side taillight further in. I don't like it. I don't like that fender. So on this side, I'm going to continue the fender with a slight curve towards the inside of the car. The new taillight will be about right here, and that leaves me about 5 inches where I can put my gas filler door. To fit the taillight, I have to cut this whole corner out. I left the structural part of the C-pillar intact, so this is only minimally structural. When I put the new taillight in, of course, I will reinforce this whole area after the taillight is installed, and then figure out exactly where I want to get my taillight. The curve of the light is very, very similar to the original Subaru light, except it doesn't go as far forward. So this curve is almost exactly the same. The height is almost exactly the same, which is why I chose it. It will look like an original Subaru light when this is all installed. So it's going to go about right here, but it doesn't sit anywhere exactly, so everything to this new backing plate I built has to be built to meet that. So I'm going to start cutting this whole section out, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm going to take a moment to do a little bit of self-promotion. I have signed up with Amazon to do the Amazon Affiliates program. I have done that specifically to help fund some of the car stuff that I'm doing. I am trying to build these cars to the best of my ability, and I am trying to use the best kind of parts that I can afford. So the way Amazon Affiliates works, I put specialized links in the description of my videos of products that I personally use in these builds. If you guys click them and buy them, I get a commission. The commission that I get goes to the car. I make more videos. I buy cooler stuff. If you want to support the project directly, you can go to patreon.com pseudo-mechanic. I am on there. The way that works is I put up different content than I do on my YouTube or my Instagram. You can support at whatever level you want. It can be $1 a month. It can be $1,000 a month. Don't send me $1,000 a month, really. But you can send $1 a month. You get all the videos on there before they're on YouTube, and everything that comes in off of social media or Amazon is going to the cars. That's all there is to it.